My name's Dan Rock. I've been treated for a rare form of blood cancer for the last year and a half, and I was having some breathing issues. And my oncologist, we thought it was either something with the treatment or something with the type of blood cancer I have. Did a bunch of tests to find out that I had symptoms of a heart attack. Just completely, caught us both off guard. I was admitted into the hospital on a Friday at 4 o'clock and had open heart surgery 3 days later. My recovery started basically about a week after I had the procedure done, and I needed to look for a cardiac rehab center so I can get back to living my life. And I was feeling pretty lousy when I came in here to the Trumbull Regional Medical Center Cardiac Rehab. My wife she tried to drop me off at the door, knowing I was going to have a hard time making it into the building to come upstairs here. Well, I was that far behind where, I was just, 2 months before that when I was hiking on the Appalachian Trail. But we just started on a 6-minute walk on a treadmill that, it 6 minutes just beat me down pretty bad. And we tried to do some different stuff, and I went home and slept for 3 hours. It just was completely exhausting. And then I came back, worked really hard 3 days a week. I got individual attention every time I'd been here. And within 6 weeks, I was running on a treadmill here. My basketball season was originally supposed to start in November. I've refereed for 20 years, every year, and again, at different levels. And I didn't want to miss a season. That was one of the biggest things I had with this. I'd let some people know that I was about ready to get back into the basketball world. And one of my signers called me in a pinch, and I refereed a basketball game last Friday. It checked the box because that was one of my goals. To think of where I came from to where I'm at now, it's I never fathomed I could be this far along. The Trumbull Regional Medical Center Cardiac Rehab, what it did for me was well beyond what I thought could be done in this time frame. And again, it comes down, it's not the equipment in my mind, or it's the folks that are here. They inspired me, they believed in me, and they pushed me when I needed to be pushed, and with a confidence as well. It's like if I did this at home, I would have been scared to death. Am I pushing too hard? But with the equipment, with the heart monitors they put on you, you have a confidence, and you don't feel scared that you're going to hurt yourself. I think any place like this is going to have the equipment, but it all comes back down to the folks. It comes down to the people.